Hi, everyone, and welcome to tonight's Edmonton multi-table foosball action. My name is Phil Martin, and I'm excited to have you join us for game number 2 of the August 30th, 2025 Draw Your Partner Finals. Playing on table 5 here. In yellow on the right of your screen, we got Johnny up front with Taras in goal. They're up 1 game in this final. And in black on the left of your screen, we have Paul up front with Donnie in goal. Game 1 was a close 5-4 match, and I expect more of the same here in Game 2 of the finals. And right off the bat there, we see Paul with a very nice high lane pass there, and quickly releases pull side with that roller. He was not going to miss on that first one there.
You hit me too.
And Johnny comes right back here. He sticks a beauty lane pass himself and releases his rollover pull side. Almost a complete mirror image of Paul's goal from 20 seconds ago. And in under a minute, looks like we got a 1-1 game. Johnny, big save.
Easiest save of my fucking life.
Donnie with the big save there. A little bit of table chatter going on with that. And oh my, what a bank shot by Donnie. He hit that one so well, and he let that left-handed shot go, turning that goalie rod into a shooter. That's a highlight of the night candidate. 2-1. And right back at it, Johnny's able to stuff that one, clear it, and block it into the net. We're into 2-2 already. And right away, 3-2. Paul responds quickly with a nice rollover push side. What is going on? Oh, a really nice save there by Taras.
Ready?
There we go. Nice save by Taras there again.
A week ago, I woke my ass up, but I still can't make it though. You ready? Ready.
Oh, Taras with a nice shot on goal there. And a big save by Donnie. See what Johnny's up to. He's loaded up. That rollover. Oh, beauty. He goes push side. Ties this one up again. Each of the teams seem to be trading blows now in this heavyweight tilt here. And now Johnny's got it again up there on his 3-bar. He's loading up that rollover. Oh, Johnny. He goes with a crisp executed pull side rollover. Well done. Another candidate here for highlight of the night. And quickly after that, they call a timeout here. Johnny Taras called a timeout. I like that timeout. They just took the lead here in the finals. They're up 1 game, and they're up 4-3 now. So they got a chance to calm the nerves a little bit. And you know Paul wants to quickly respond. So this makes him wait that extra couple seconds there. Well done. Good timeout. But what did I say there? Paul just blasts that lane pass right up the middle to his 3-bar and sets up that rollover. And you get a brilliant save there by Taras. Oh, another big save. Talk about goaltending in the clutch there. Now it's Donnie's turn. He's watching Johnny shoot, see where he goes. Big save by Donnie. Game saver there on both ends. Donnie tries to feed a pass through. Oh, and Johnny gets unlucky as some slop rebounds off and finds its way into his own net, and we're all tied up again. 4-4. What a close match we have going on here. See if Taras can get it up to Johnny. Oh, nice stop there by Donnie. Great shot by Taras. Let's see if Johnny can get the pass through. Oh, beauty pass up to his 3-bar here. Game on the line. Johnny, nice pull side rollover, and with that, they win the game and the tournament.